Good morning. We are leaving Jackman Park Recreation Site area / campground. They had like 5 tent camping spots and a vault toilet. No cell service. I just drove through it. I wouldn't stay there. There were 2 of the 5 spots were taken. You're not much farther up the road from Lily Lake. I would just stay at Lily Lake. You'll enjoy it. So next stop is King Glacier Overlook, or King something Overlook. I can't remember the exact name. But we will be up in the Steen Mountains looking at a glacial carved valley. Oh my gosh, and the roads again are horrible. I love doing that. And I'm going clockwise on the loop road, and it's 7:55 in the morning, so I shouldn't have any traffic coming the other direction for a long time, because all those people have to drive the other half of the loop road to get here, plus they have all the stops to look at along the way, so it'll be nice not having any oncoming traffic. Oh my gosh, right here I could stop. I'm gonna get you some video. Let me pull over. See if I can back up a little. This is perfect. Wow. So I will be right back. All right, I just got some awesome video off the side of the road looking back to the west of the aspen trees. I don't understand why they don't have like some nice pull-off picnic areas along here. It'd be really fun. The views, I mean, just amazing. Oh, and the washboards are back. Oh my gosh. Why is it so bad here? Non-smoky today. I hope it stays like that. That'd be awesome. These washboards are ridiculous though. Wow, private property there. It's got a nice trailer. Thought I saw a truck back up there more. It's like a little horse corral, yeah. Oh, that's better. So the washboards seem to be the worst when you're going uphill. I don't know what causes that. There's no potholes yet, so that's good. pretty close to that ditch, so I decided to slow down. Yeah, this is definitely a rough road. We'll see how well they build these trucks. See if I have any squeaks and rattles after this. I hope not. This is why I don't really like motorhomes anymore, though. Because you can't go up on these roads unless you want to destroy your motorhome, rattle everything to death. Oh. Our poor kitty, though, that's why we got it. She can't stand being without us. When we would board her for the first year we had her, she would quit eating for 4 or 5 days. She wouldn't go to the bathroom. I mean, she was just so sad, miserable, and made me feel really bad. And that's when we got the RV. She's such an awesome cat. I guess she's following my wife everywhere. Since I'm not home, she is glued to her. We have our guests there, so they go places for a few hours, and they're at home most of the time, it looks like. So she's getting attention. I guess she tries to go in their room where they're sleeping. And my wife said, just shake the water bottle and she'll run. Like, she knows what that means. Like, you don't even have to squirt her. So they do. They just shake the water bottle and she runs. She's very nosy. She has to get into everything. She opens cupboards all over the house. I have to make sure that where I keep some of the bathroom cleaning stuff, it's far back in the cupboards, or it's in the cupboard she can't open. Worry about her getting that on her fur and then licking herself. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I just go slow through these. Slow and steady. Sun is right in the middle of the camera. Hopefully it's not horrible. Oh my god, this is a bad section. Oh, so here's a little turnoff. I wonder if it's private property. There's a little sign that you cannot read. Yeah. Oh no, it's Cold Spring Road. Looks pretty rough. Rougher than this road. I wonder if you would get to a point where you would, you know, wish you had a Jeep. I don't know if I'll ever do Jeep roads in this truck. If I didn't have all the stuff in the back, I might think about it. Oh, is that a hawk? It is on that rock. Wow. That thing is huge. First I thought maybe it was an eagle, but it's a hawk, I think. Yeah. That was neat. Basically, I with all the stuff on the back, I worry about rattling things loose in the middle of nowhere. I do need to buy some wrenches, though. I did forget to look. Oh my gosh, look at this. So I think I saw this whole road is 50 miles. I see why it takes 4 hours now for people. Because you're not going very fast most of the time. And you stop a lot. Let's see what our altitude is. Our elevation. Up to 8,200 feet. So we have another 1,500 feet of elevation gain. Wow, and it's still 42 degrees because we keep going up. And there's no campgrounds up past Jackman Park, which I don't understand. Because I think that'd be awesome. there's hiking trails and viewpoints, but no place to camp unless you could disperse camp anywhere you want. Maybe I'll have to see what the signs say when I get up there. Because like right here, what's stopping you from camping in this pullout? Oh, there's a hiking trail there that goes down to the canyon. It looks like, wow. Yeah, this could be a national park. I mean, this is, if they paved this road, built some facilities, this would rival some of the most popular national parks, I think. Because it's just amazing. And I got full service right now. I mean, you have outstanding cell service, which people love that, including me. I hope someday in my lifetime that this is one of the new national parks. That would be awesome. Every year they add like 3 or 4 or 5 of them, it seems. And this road, so the road is not very steep at all going up. It's very gradual, which is nice. Did not expect that. Oh my gosh, more washboards. Can't imagine the amount of snow on the ground here in the winter. Must be incredible. I noticed on the map, Google Maps, there's like 5 gates they close as the snow gets lower in elevation. So I went by the one campsite, the Jackman Park, and everyone's all bundled up and drinking coffee, it looked like. And when you sleep in a tent that, I don't know, I mean, it's not super cold, but it's not heated, or it's not like full of comforts like a tent might have, you know, an air mattress and even more blankets. And I didn't really think it was that cold when I got outside this morning. It didn't really bother me. Had shorts on. I did have a jacket, but I had no gloves. I had no hot chocolate or hot coffee. It was felt good. I think I'm getting climatized to the, or is it acclimatized to the cooler weather. The first night I felt colder because I hadn't done it in so long. When I was in Snoqualmie Pass, and I think there it only got down to the upper 40s, maybe 50. Like last night was definitely my coldest night. I really hope the sun is not ruining this video because it's so pretty. That's why I wish they had campgrounds at the top, because it would have been, it's ideal to drive this in the afternoon, evening, and the sun is behind you, but there's no place to camp. So you're driving down in the dark then. I don't want to do that. If I find any camping spots at the top, I'll let you know though, in case you ever come. You'll be able to take advantage of that info. Oh, this is incredible. I'm not sure what this reminds me of anymore. I mean, can you believe we're at 8,000 some feet? You know, probably 8,800 feet right now. I mean, that's just incredible. This is the Kigor Gorge viewpoint. 1/4 mile to the left. I wonder if this is the King George I was talking about. It's Kigor. I don't know why I thought King. Unless this is something different. But we'll check it out. Kigor Gorge viewpoint. It's kind of hazy, cloudy, foggy in the distance. Hopefully it turns out all right. I thought it said 1/4 a mile. It could have been 1 1/4 miles. Couldn't really read it with the sun. Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow. That mountain range in front of me, jeez. This is something. Trying to find where the trail is. But we'll park right here and go try and get a look. Someone said it's like a super steep drop off, I guess, at the edge. But this was the Jackman Park Campground to Kigor Gorge viewpoint.